Guys, so I was standing in front of this big old nopal plant. This plant is probably a good 15 years old at least, and I noticed a lot of white clusters on the leaves of this nopal. These white clusters look like a fungus at first glance, a disease of some sort, but believe it or not, these are actually insects feeding onto the leaves. So these are actually closely related to aphids and scales. These are actually called cochineal scales. And just like those other pests, they're feeding on the plant's photosynthesis. They really don't move. There is females and males. The females, what we see here, are the the ones that don't really fly around, they just really move slowly and feed. And the males who have wings and fly actually mate with the females on top of the female. So, what's very interesting, besides their initial appearance, is that these cochineal scales have actually been used by a variety of different cultures for their dye. So, when I take a cochineal scale and I crush her up, sorry, she actually releases this red crimson pigment. And this pigment has been used for many textiles, many foods, and different cultures for hundreds and hundreds of years in Mesoamerica, and actually has been used in a lot of color dyeing for a lot of candies and a lot of foods until recently. So this has been a pest, but it's also been used as a food source for many cultures. And it's really quite easy to control. You can easily just wash it off with a hose or brush them off and really keep at it. But really, it's mostly a cosmetic plant. It does harm the plant, but very minimally. And you can simply just hose them off and brush them off. But thought I showed you guys this today. This is a very interesting insect. In case you see this again in your garden, you know what it is and what to do. I hope you learned something new today, and thanks for watching.